From Forex Traders Daily, this is your daily analysis with Ross Mullins, live from Richmond, Virginia.
Hello everyone, this is today's video analysis for March 15th, 2016. In today's video, we're going to be taking a look at the USDCHF, the US dollar, versus the Swiss franc. We're going to start here on the daily chart, but first it's important for me to note that this entire week is riddled with news and data being released. Just about every day this week has some significant high-impact news that could affect the currency market. That being said, we could see extreme volatility, and the market do things that we don't expect it to do. So you need to pay attention to that news calendar this week. Most importantly here for the U.S. franc, we have the Fed coming out tomorrow, FOMC and Fed statement coming out tomorrow, Wednesday, March 16th, and then March 17th. On Thursday, we have some news out of the S&P. So over the next couple of days, we could see some significant changes with the analysis for this particular currency pair. For the day today, we have seen here on the daily time frame the push underneath, open and close underneath a couple of days ago, the black box that we have here on the chart. Yesterday during the trade room, we saw the market open and close underneath the black box, come up underneath it, giving us a little bit of an intraday opportunity to try to go short here on the US franc. You can see that. If you look down here at the very bottom of my chart, you can see this is the account history, in other words, closed trades here, and there is that trade yesterday on the Swiss franc. There it is right there. 98.70 was the sell entry. The market went down enough for the trade manager to take me into break even, and the market went right back up and took us out of the trade at break even. A little bit better, actually. It got a little slip better than the close price, but either way you look at it, it came back up and took us out of the trade. Trade manager doing its job as expected. Let's go ahead and take a more detailed look at this. Let's zoom it in one time here on the daily time frame. Again, there's that black box we studied over the past couple of days. Most importantly, the historical supports that you see there in the purple shaded area between the 98.60 and 98.85 level. That's the purple zone at the bottom of the black box. We saw support back here, support here, and like I said, over the past couple of days, we saw the breakout open and close underneath, the rally back into it yesterday, and a little bit of a dip off of that purple shaded area. Now, currently, we're kind of stuck inside that purple shaded area. That's going to be much more evident as we get down here to the 4-hour time frame. Take a look at what's happened over the past several hours here on the US franc as we've been stuck inside this purple shaded area. Again, 98.60 to 98.85. With news today, news tomorrow, and news Thursday, we're likely to see a breakout of this purple shaded area. Again, yesterday's sell, the 98.70 level that we were in from the live trade room, we saw the market go down about 25 pips on that candle alone, giving us the opportunity to see break even on the trade. If you didn't do it there, of course, then it had another opportunity here to see break even on the trade. Now we're just kind of waiting to see what's going to happen. If we get some poor data today for the U.S., we would likely look for the breakout lower here for the U.S. franc. So poor data from the U.S. today, we likely look for the breakout lower underneath 98.60 to head on down towards the orange shaded area as the targeted level on the way back down. If we get some good news out of the U.S. today with some data that we have at 8:30 a.m. Eastern U.S. time, we could be looking for the push above 98.85 and begin pushing back into the larger range that we've been studying inside the black box. So good news, we see it start to retrace some of this move from last week. Bad news out of the U.S., we see it continue that downward streak, pressuring back down towards the 9,800 level. So that's what I'm going to be watching for today. About, 50 minutes from the recording of this video at 8:30 a.m. Eastern U.S. time, we have some news coming out of the U.S., and we'll look for a breakout of this purple zone to give us our next opportunity for the day today. And like I said, going into tomorrow with the Fed and Thursday with the S&P, we could see dramatic changes for this currency pair. If you're looking for further retracement of this fall, you need a solid push above 98.85. If you're looking for a continuation of the downward slide, I think we need another new break underneath 98.60 today for the U.S. franc.
From Forex Traders Daily, this has been your daily analysis with Ross Mullins. If you would like to get Ross's analysis on all the currency pairs he's watching and all the trades he takes today, join him in his live trade room by clicking on the link below. Please leave any comments you have about today's video in the comments section below.